Hello, my name is Sheena Alexander, and I will be discussing research design and rationale. The research focus that I've chosen is on reasoning and problem solving. Reasoning refers to the actions which involves thinking about something in a manner that is logical. Problem solving involves using methods that are either generic in nature or ad hoc in order to arrive at the solution in order to give a problem. What role does reasoning and problem-solving skills play in the academic performance of a student is the research question that I chose. The importance of the research question is extremely important. It tends to look at the relationship which exists between reasoning and problem-solving skills and the academic performance of a child. The research topic of reasoning and problem solving is very important. This is due to the fact that these are integral elements of the cognitive process and are likely to affect the cognitive skills of an individual. The literature review that I've chosen is by Ben-Hur, and this article looks at the effects that reasoning and problem solving skills have on mastery of mathematics. The research found out that elevated reasoning skills have a positive correlation with elevated mathematics skills. Wimby's article looks at reasoning and comprehension in general. The research found out that comprehension is heavily dependent on the reasoning skills of the respondents. Some of the potential methods would be the best, which I think are the best methods that would be used for this research activity is quantitative research. This is a study that will involve a lot of quantitative data. This is in light of the fact that the research question looks at the relationship that reasoning and problem-solving skills have on examination of performance. The approach will involve two groups of students, with each group being made up of 20 students. The first group will be taught the regular curriculum as well as extra lessons on reasoning and problem solving. The second group will stick to the regular curriculum only. After a period of 1 month, these two groups will then be required to sit for a standardized examination, and the scores of each group will be compared in order to establish whether or not reasoning and problem-solving skills affects examination performance. The quantitative research design is the best for this research activity, in my opinion. The research will involve comparison of examination scores of the two groups of students. Thus, the data in question is quantitative in nature. Some of the ethical issues that arise in this study is the fact that the respondents are below the age of 18. Thus, there are measures that must be taken into consideration in order to ensure that they are not taken advantage of during this research. The additional lessons on reasoning and problem solving have to be in line with the accepted curriculum for the fourth grade, as all the respondents who will participate in this research study will be fourth graders. In conclusion, the research will be based on the effect that reasoning and problem solving have on the examination performance of students in the fourth grade. The quantitative research design would be the best to use for this situation. The data collected from the respondents will be quantitative in nature, hence prompting the use of the quantitative research design for the analysis. This research is important as it investigates the effects of problem solving and reasoning skills on examination of performance. The research should be carried out in order to determine whether or not inclusion of the reasoning problem solving into the curriculum is going to affect a student's performance. The main research design that suits best for this analysis, again, is the quantitative research design. Thank you.